Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you are all doing good. This class is a continuation of previous session. In the previous session, we have discussed about Chapter-9, Introduction to C++. In that, we have seen Introduction, History of C++, Benefits of Learning C++, Character Set and Lexical Units. What do you mean by lexical unit? Lexical unit is otherwise known as tokens. So, the smallest individual unit in a program is known as a token or lexical unit. We have 5 types of lexical unit, that is 5 types of tokens are available in C++. They are keywords, identifiers, literals, operators and punctuators. In that, already we have seen 3 types, that is keywords, identifiers and literals. In today's session, we will be learning about operators and punctuators. Now, let's see the first topic, operators. What do you mean by operators? The symbol which are used to perform mathematical or logical operations are called as operators. For example, we are going to write a program to solve some problem. So, to solve a problem, we have to do some calculations. So, the operators are used to perform the calculations. For example, 5 plus 6. Here, plus is an operator. Perform the action on these operands. What do you mean by operands? The data, items or values that the operators act upon are called as operands. So, here the example is 5 plus 6. 5 and 6 are the operands and plus is the operator. So, the plus operator performs the addition operation on these datas. Then, the next example is A minus B. Here, A and B are operands and minus is the symbol to perform subtraction operation on these datas. C++ provides many operators. So, based on the number of operands, the operators are classified as unary operators, binary operators and ternary operators. First one is unary operators. It requires only one operand alone. So, the unary operators works on only one operand, that is one data item. The second one is binary operators. It requires 2 operands. And third one is ternary operators. It requires 3 operands to perform some operations. Apart from this, C++ operators are classified as arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, conditional operators, bitwise operators and other operators. Now, let's see the first operator, that is arithmetic operators. What do you mean by arithmetic operators? Arithmetic operators perform the simple arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. So, all these operators are called as the arithmetic operators. Now, let's see this table. Operator, operation, example. We have 5 different types of arithmetic operators. Plus for addition, minus for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, slash for division and percentage for modulus. So, to add 2 numbers, we have to use plus symbol. Example, 10 plus 5. What is the value of 10 plus 5? 15. Then, to subtract 2 numbers, we have to use minus operator. So, 10 minus 5. What is the value of 10 minus 5? 5. Then, to multiply 2 numbers, we have to use asterisk symbol. So, 10 into 5 is equal to 50. Then, to divide 2 numbers, we have to use slash symbol. So, 10 slash 5. What is the answer we will get? 2. So, the quotient of the division is our answer. Next one is modulus operator. So, percentage operator is called as modulus operator. This is used to divide 2 numbers, but we will get remainder as the answer. In normal division, we will get quotient as the answer, but in modulus, we will get remainder as the answer. So, 10 modulus 3. What is the answer of 10 modulus 3? 3 3s are 9. Then what is our remainder? 1. So, So 1 is the answer. So addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are very familiar one, and only the modulus is the new operator which gives the remainder of your division. Here arithmetic operators are binary operators. Why arithmetic operator is a binary operator? Look at the example. Binary operator requires two operands and only one operator. So arithmetic operators are binary operators. And the next one is increment and decrement operators. Increment operator is plus plus and the decrement operator is minus minus. Here the increment operator increases the value of the variable by 1 and decrement operator decreases the value of the variable by 1. For example, x is equal to 10. When I give x plus plus, here plus plus is the increment operator and also it is the unary operator. Why it is a unary operator? Because it needs only one operand. Which is the operand here? X. So when I give x plus plus, what will happen? It just add 1 to the present value of x. So x plus plus is similar to x is equal to x plus 1. It just add 1 to the present value of x. So already the value of x is 10. Then when I give x plus plus, it just add 1 to the present value of x. So at present the value of x is 11. Similarly, decrement operator x minus minus. X minus minus is similar to x is equal to x minus 1. It just subtract 1 from the present value of x. Both increment and decrement operator consist of two types. One is prefix and another one is postfix. Now let's see the example of postfix and prefix. Consider the x value is 10. I am going to use a postfix operator. Postfix in the sense the operator comes at the end of the variable, so that is called postfix. In prefix, the operator comes before the variable. Then this is called prefix. Here the variable is an operand. Example of postfix. X is equal to 10, then y is equal to x plus plus. Here I am giving postfix. What will happen? The value of x should be assigned to the variable y. Here we have given x plus plus. So plus plus is an postfix. In the postfix, first it will assign the value and then it increase the value. So y is equal to 10. What is the value of x here? 10. So y is equal to 10. Here 10 will be stored in the variable y first. After assigning the value, the x value will be incremented. Now what will be the incremented value of x? 11. It will be incremented by 11. Do you understand this? This is called postfix operator. So in postfix, the value of the variable will be assigned first, then the value will be incremented. So first it will get the value and increase the value. That is called postfix operator. Now let's see prefix operator. X is equal to 10, then y is equal to plus plus x. In this case, I am giving prefix. So in prefix, the value of x is first incremented by 1, then the incremented value is assigned to the respective operand. So y is equal to plus plus x. Here the incremented operator will work first, then the incremented value will be assigned to the variable. So y is equal to plus plus x. What is the value of x here? The x value is 10. So it adds 1 to the present value of x. So 10 plus 1 is 11 here. So the value 11 will be assigned to the variable y. So y is equal to 11. Then what is the value of x? X value is also 11. Do you understand this? So the concept of prefix is first it will increase the value of the variable by 1, then the incremented value is assigned to the respective operand. Now let's see the decrement operator. Decrement operator consists of two types. One is postfix and another one is prefix. Now let's see the example. X is equal to 10. Now first we will see postfix. X minus minus. Here minus minus is the postfix operator. Postfix in the sense the operator comes at the end of the variable. So the concept of postfix is the value of the variable will be assigned first, then the value will be decremented. So y is equal to x minus minus. What is the value of x? 10. So the value 10 will be assigned to the variable y. So y is equal to 10. Now what is the value of y? 10. Then the operator works. So here minus minus means it subtracts 1 from the present value of x. So the x value is decremented by 1. So x is equal to 9. Here the y value is 10 and x value is 9. Do you understand this? Now let's see the prefix. X is equal to 10. Then minus minus x. Here minus minus is an operator. It comes before the variable. So this is prefix operator. Then y is equal to minus minus x. In prefix, the value of x is first decremented by 1, then the decremented value is assigned to the respective operand. So y is equal to minus minus x. X value is 10, it is decremented by 1, so y is equal to 9. So first the value will be decreased and assign the value here. So y is equal to 9. Then what is the value of x? X is also 9. This is called prefix. Now the next one is relational operators. Relational operator is nothing but it is used to determine the relationship between the two operands. When the relational operators are applied on two operands, the result will be a Boolean value. Already I told you that what is Boolean value. The Boolean value is nothing but either true or false. So the true value is represented as 1 and the false value is represented as 0. In C++ we have 6 different types of relational operators. Just look at the table. Operators: greater than, lesser than, greater than or equal to, lesser than or equal to, double equal to and not equal to. For example, A value as 10 and B value as 5. Relational operator is used to compare the two values of variables and returns the value as 1 or 0, that is true or false. So A value is 10 and B value is 5. So 10 is greater than 5. This is true or false? Yes, this is true. So it returns the value as 1. Then the second example, A is lesser than B. 10 is lesser than B. This is false. So it returns the value as 0. Likewise, it will check all the examples. So the operand A is compared with operand B and depending on the relation, the result will be either 1 or 0. The relational operators are binary operators because we have two operands and one operator. Next one is logical operators. What is the use of logical operator? In some situation, we need to check more than one condition. In such cases, the logical operators are used. So, a logical operator is used to evaluate logical and relational expression. Here, what is the meaning of expression? Expression means the combination of operator and operands. For example, when I say 10 plus 5, then this is called expression. Here, plus is an operator and 10 and 5 are operands. So, expression means the combination of operator and operands. The logical operator act upon the operands that are themselves called as logical expressions. Here, the logical operator works on the more than one relational expressions. So, why we are using relational expression? To compare the values. So, if I need to check more than one condition, then I have to use a logical operator. What is the use of logical operator? It is used to combine the two relational expressions. Here, C++ provides 3 logical operators, that is AND, OR, NOT. Already you have learned the concept of and or not in number system lesson. Do you remember that? So, the logical operators are and, or, not. Here, what is the concept of logical and? The logical and combines two different relational expression into one. So, it is just combine two different relational expression into one. Then, if both expressions are true, it returns the result as 1, otherwise it returns the result as 0. The next one is logical OR. In the logical OR combines two different relational expression into one. Here the OR concept is, if either one of the expression is true, the result is true, otherwise it returns the result as false. Then the last one is NOT. Here the NOT works on a single expression or operand. Here the NOT operator has one input and one output. The input is either true or false and the output is always the opposite. That is, the NOT operator inverts the input. For example, if the input is 1, then it will produce the output as 0. Otherwise, if the input is 0, it produces the result as 1. So, and or are binary operators, whereas NOT is an unary operator. Because and or needs two operands to perform an action, whereas NOT operator needs one operand to perform an action. Now, let's see some example. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 6 and C is equal to 7. Here the expressions and results are given. Let's see now. Look at the first example. A is lesser than B and B is lesser than C. Here we are using two relational expression and one logical operator. A value is 5, so 5 is lesser than B value is 6. 5 is less than 6. Yes, the condition is true. We have to check the second condition. B is less than C. B value is 6 and C value is 7. So here also the condition is true. What is the concept of and? If both expressions are true, the result is also true. Here the both expressions are true, so the result is true. So the true value is represented as 1 here. Then look at the second example. A is greater than B. A value is 5 and B value is 6. So 5 is greater than 6. Here the condition is false. Then we have to check the next condition. B is less than C. Here the B value is 6 and the C value is 7. So 6 is lesser than 7. Here the condition is true. Then what is the concept of logical and? If both true is true. Here the one condition, one expression is false and another expression is true. So the result is false. Now look at the third example. A is lesser than B or B is greater than C. A value is 5 and B value is 6. So 5 is lesser than 6. Yes, the condition is true. Then we have to check the second expression. B is greater than C. B value is 6 greater than C value is 7. So 6 is greater than 7. Here the condition is false. So the concept of OR is either true is true. Here first expression is true and second expression is false. So the result is true. Then look at the last example. NOT of A is greater than B. A value is 5 and B value is 6. So 5 is greater than 6. Here the condition is false. But what is the concept of NOT? False means true, true means false. Here the condition is false, so it will provide the result as true. So 1 is the result here. So this is how the logical operators work. The logical operators are and, or, not. Next one is assignment operator. Assignment operator is used to assign a value to a variable which is on the left hand side of an assignment statement. So the assignment operator is equal to. Is equal to is commonly used as an assignment operator in all computer programming languages. So this operator copies the value at the right side of the operator to the left side variable. So what is assignment operator? Assignment operator is equal to. What is the use of assignment operator? The assignment operator just assign the value at the right side of the operator to the left side variable. For example, A is equal to 32. Here is equal to is the assignment operator and A is the variable and 32 is the value. So the use of assignment operator is It just assigns the value 32 to the variable a. So, what is the value of a now? The value of a is 32. Assignment operator is also a binary operator. Why it is a binary operator? Because it has one operator and two operands. So, this is a binary operator. The assignment operator can also comes with the arithmetic operator. The operators are plus is equal to, that is addition assignment, minus is equal to, that is subtraction assignment, then asterisk is equal to, this is multiplication assignment, then slash is equal to division assignment, and modulus is equal to, this is modulus assignment. Now let's see some example. A is equal to 10. C is equal to A plus is equal to 5, which is similar to A is equal to A plus 5. Here we have two operators, right? Plus is equal to. So we have two operators. So first it performs the addition operation and that result will be assigned to the left hand side variable. What is the variable we have in the left side? A. So, A is equal to A plus 5. A value is 10. So, 10 plus 5 is 15. Now, the value of A is 15. Then, after that, A value is assigned to the variable C. So, now C value is 15. Then, the second assignment operator is subtraction assignment. E is equal to 10, C is equal to A minus is equal to 5, which is similar to A is equal to A minus 5. Now the A value is 10, so 10 minus 5 is 5. Now the value 5 is stored in the variable A. Then after that A value is assigned to the variable C. So now C value is 5. Then the next assignment operator is multiplication assignment operator. A is equal to 10, C is equal to A, asterisk is equal to 5, which is similar to A is equal to A star 5. Now the value of A is 10, so 10 into 5 is 50. Now the value 50 is stored in the variable A. Then after that A value is assigned to the variable C. Now C value is 50. Then the next operator is division assignment operator. So A is equal to 10, C is equal to A slash is equal to 5. This can be written as A is equal to A slash 5. A value is 10, then 10 by 5 is equal to 2. So now the value 2 is assigned to the variable A. Then after that A value is assigned to the variable C. So now C value is 2. Then the last operator is modulus assignment operator. A is equal to 10, C is equal to A, modulus is equal to 5. This can be written as A is equal to A modulus 5. So the value of A is 10, 10 divided by 5. What is the remainder of 10 divided by 5? 0. So the value 0 will be stored in the variable A. Then after that the A value is assigned to the variable C. So now C value is 0. Do you understand the concept of assignment operator? What is assignment operator? Assignment operator is equal to, then the assignment operator just copies the value at the right hand side of the operator to the left hand side variable. Okay. Now we will see the next operator, that is conditional operator. In C++ there is only one conditional operator. Question mark colon is a conditional operator, which is also known as ternary operator. This operator is used as an alternate to if-else control statement. We will learn more about this operator in later chapter along with if-else structure. So, conditional operator is also known as ternary operator. So, the symbol used for the ternary operator is question mark colon, and this is alternate to the if-else statement. If-else statement is a control statement. So, ternary operator is alternate to the if-else statement. For example, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 5. A is greater than or equal to B question mark 1 colon 0. So, it checks the condition here. If it is true, the expression 1 will be executed. Otherwise, the expression 2 will be executed here. So, A value is 10 and B value is 5. So, 10 is greater than 5. Here, the condition is true. So, what is the output we will get? 1. Okay, so the condition is checked before the question mark. If the condition is true, the first expression will be executed. Otherwise, the second expression will be executed. Do you understand the concept of conditional operator? Next one is bitwise operators. Bitwise operators work on each bit of data and perform bit by bit operation. In C++, there are three kinds of bitwise operators. They are logical bitwise operators, bitwise shift operators, and ones complement operators. Now, let's discuss about all these three types. First operator is logical bitwise operators. Logical bitwise operators consist of three types. First one is bitwise AND operator, second one is bitwise OR operator, and the third one is bitwise exclusive OR operator. Already we have learnt AND or exclusive OR in number system lesson. Do you remember that? Now let's see the truth table for bitwise operators AND OR and exclusive OR. A and B are two inputs. Now we are going to do bitwise AND operators. What is the concept of AND? If both inputs are true, the output is true. Otherwise, the output is false. Here, the input value of A is 1 and B is 1. So, both inputs are true, the output is also true. So, the output is 1. The balance all false because the concept of AND is both true is true, balance all false. Now, let's see the truth table for bitwise OR operator. The concept of OR is if any one of the input is true, the output is true, otherwise false. Here, the first inputs are true, 1, 1. So, the output is also 1. The second input values 1, 0. So, the output is 1. The third input values are 0, 1. So, either 1 true is true. So, output is 1. The last input value is 0, 0. Both are false. So, the output is also false. Now, let's see the third truth table, that is bitwise exclusive OR. The concept of exclusive OR is either one true is true, otherwise false. So, both true also false, both false also false. Either one true is true. So, the first input values both are true, so the output is false. The second input values 1 true, 1 false, so the output is true. The third input values false, true, so the output is true. The last input values both are false, so the output is also false. Now, let's see the example. Consider A value is 4 and B value is 3. Here, the 4 should be written in the bit format. So, what is the binary value of 4? 0, 1, 0, 0. This is 8421 binary coding format. Or you can find using LCM method. Okay, so the value of 4 is 0, 1, 0, 0. Actually, we have 4 numbers, but we have to make it as 8-bit code. So, we have to add 4 more zeros. Then, the B value is 3. What is the binary value of 3? 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, then here also we have 4 numbers. So, we have to make it as 8-bit code. So, we have to add 4 more zeros in the left hand side. So, first we have to write it in the binary format and we have to do the operation. Now, we are going to do AND operation, that is bitwise AND operations. So, the concept of AND is both true is true. So, 0 into 1, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, then 0 into 0, 0, then balance all zeros. Now let's see the example of bitwise OR operator. A value is 4 and B value is 3. Here the concept of OR is if any one of the input is true, the output is true. So 0 into 1 is 1, 0 into 1 is 1, 1 into 0 is 1. Balance all zeros. Then the next example is exclusive OR, bitwise exclusive OR. The concept of bitwise exclusive OR is either one true is true, otherwise false. So A value is 4 and B value is 3. Now we have to write this in 8-bit format. Then we have to do exclusive OR. 0 into 1, either 1 is true, so 1. Here also 0, 1, so either 1 true is true, so the result is 1. 1 into 0, 1, balance all zeros. So this is how we have to find bitwise AND, OR and exclusive OR. Then the next operator is other operators. In C++, we have some additional operators. There are comma operator. Comma operator is used to separate the values or the variables. The next operator is size of operator. It is used to return the size of the variables in bytes. The next operator is pointer operator. We have two pointer operators. First one is asterisk, which is used to represent the pointed variable. The next one is address of symbol. This operator is used to retrieve the pointed variable. Then the next operator is component selection. We have two component selection operator. One is dot, that is direct component selector. The next one is arrow mark, that is indirect component selector. And the next operator is class member operators. We have three class member operators. First one is 4 dots, that is scope resolution operator. The second one is dot asterisk, that is dereference operator. And the third one is arrow mark asterisk, this is dereference pointer to class member. Then we will discuss all these operators in later classes. Okay. Then the next operator is precedence of operators. Operators are executed in the order of precedence. The operands and the operators are grouped in a specific logical way for evaluation. This logical grouping is called as an association. Now let's see the order of precedence. In C++, we will use different types of operators. Here the order of precedence is given. So the first priority is given to parenthesis and square bracket. The second priority is postfix increment or decrement. Then the next priority is prefix increment and decrement. Then the next priority is multiplication, division and modulus. And the next priority is addition, subtraction. Then the next priority is lesser than or equal to, greater than or equal to. And the next priority is equal to and not equal to. And the next priority is logical and, then logical or, then conditional operator, then simple assignment operator, then the shorthand operators like plus is equal to, minus is equal to, star is equal to, slash is equal to, at last comma operator. So these are the precedence of operators. Now let's see the last token, that is punctuators. We have 5 different types of tokens, that is keywords, identifiers, literals, operators and punctuators. So already we have seen 4. Now we are going to see the last token, that is punctuators. Punctuators are nothing but it is the symbol which are used as the delimiters while constructing a program in C++. Okay, so this is also called as separators. Punctuators are also called as separators. We have different types of punctuators in C++. Let's see one by one now. First separator, that is first punctuator, is curly braces. So opening and closing curly braces indicate the start and end of a block of code. Here the C++ program codings will be written inside the curly braces. So we have 2 curly braces. One is opening curly braces and the another one is closing curly braces, which indicates the start and end of a block of code. Here a block of code containing more than one executable statement. So these statements are together called as compound statement. Okay, group of statements are together called as compound statements. Look at the example. Here we have C++ programs. So the program codings will be written inside the block. So this block starts and ends with curly braces. The second separator is parenthesis. So, opening and closing parenthesis indicates the function calls and function parameters. So, parenthesis is used to indicate the functions. Then, the third punctuator is square bracket. Square bracket is used to represent the arrays. So, it indicates single and multi-dimensional arrays. So, arrays we will discuss in later chapter. The next one is comma. It is used to separate the values or an expression. So, if we have more than one values, it will be separated by using commas. The next punctuator is semicolon. So, in C++, each and every statement should terminate with the semicolon. The next one is colon. It is used to label a statement whether it is a private or a public. The last one is comments. So, some statements will not be executed by the compiler. So, if any statement that begins with double slash are considered as comment line, comments are simply ignored by compilers. That is, compiler does not execute any statement that begins with double slash. So, which is understandable only by the human reader. So, comment line will be understandable only by the human reader, that will not be executed by the computer. Comment separators consist of two. One is double slash and another one is slash star star slash. For single line comment, we will use double slash. Then multi-line comment will start with a slash star and end with a star slash. So, those lines will not be executed by the computer, which are understandable only by the human reader. So, this is all about punctuators. Students, the second part of this lesson ends here. I hope you understood these topics. Now, the assignment of this lesson is write about binary operators used in C++. Students, submit your assignments on time. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video class. Assalamu alaikum.